Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will conduct a session for the tips and tricks to crack JNU EE exam. For self-study, you need motivation and self-discipline to continue with the routine. This method will definitely help you save lots of time and money. However, if you feel you learn best in a classroom environment, then attending coaching classes is not a bad deal. Remember that you can choose to study on your own or through professional help. There is no right or wrong way. You need speed to finish JNU EE within prescribed time limit. Go through the topics in the JNU syllabus and start with the ones that you are good at. Practice physics, chemistry, and mathematics problems by memorizing formulas. Become smart by attempting questions that you are sure of first, then come to the questions that you are in doubt. But don't attempt them anyway. Remember, negative marking is a factor here. Therefore, attempt only the questions that you are sure of. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests with time limit attached to each question. This way, one can earn to finish the exam within the time limit. So, if you value the content of our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.